Today we got the 997 Porsche GT3RS. It's a manual transmission, and the 911 GT3RS. That's a PDK. Two completely different cars. One is raw, the other one it's very exciting to drive, but a lot of electronics controlling the driving. Both of these cars run sole performance exhaust systems, center exhaust bypass and side exhaust bypass. We run liquid moly in both of these. One of the most common things we do on these cars is cage installs, suspension upgrades, and exhaust system upgrades. We love modifying these cars. Give us a call to discover the Eurofed difference.